NVTS stock analysis and NVTS stock prediction. Look, this is for 2nd of June, right? Monday. I'm going to break down exactly my play. Look, I've been in the market for 5 years, done 40,000 videos, and I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, you know? So ultimately, I've figured out kind of my edge. And with regarding NVTS approach from tomorrow and onward, when you look at this chart, people think that I'm going to just immediately start buying here on Monday. This is what's going to happen on Monday, guys. We're going to break 750. That's so far from the truth. You can see like NVTS, how many previous receipts I also got. The Discord, but unless rules are met, there's no way I'm buying. Like, people think that I'm gonna immediately buy. This is what's gonna happen. No, this might be not even happening in 2 weeks time. Who knows? I mean, only if I do see this shift, this red part happening, only then I'm getting involved. And I'm not even putting a time frame constraint to how this exactly will look like for how many, like in how much time. So because, you know, you're in no position to tell the universe how long it's going to take something, right? And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.